Yeah, so student, good evening. So we are moving to the next chapter, quadratic equations, students. Quadratic equations we are moving to, okay? So you know that before sample paper or before PYQ, I'll just revise the entire session, okay? So give me next to 40 to 45 minutes, entire chapter I'll just revise in front of you. Then we'll start PYQs or sample paper, okay? Tomorrow when I choose the sample paper, I'll go for case-based questions, students, from this chapter, okay? So there are word problems. Case-based questions, very little chance. Word problems you can expect. Word problem is again a case-based question only. The name is something different. Okay. So let me revise this particular topic in next half an hour or 40 minutes. Okay. How did we start this chapter, student? We just said already we have learned quadratic polynomial in the chapter. Before this chapter, we already learned quadratic polynomial. It is this ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. If a equal to 0, it will be linear equation, power 1, x power 1, linear equation. So a should not be equal to 0, then only power 2 is valid. We get quadratic. Quadratic means square beta, square. In their language, I think which language I don't know, it's a square. Okay. Yes, go ahead with the answer. Degree of this polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? Soon. Okay, very good, very good. Rujuta, Narendran, Tanish, Tanushri, Jahnavi, Ponnappa. Okay, so whenever I'm asking degree, it's a highest power. So highest power is 3. Okay, degree of polynomial 5. Yes, Harshini, right answer. Aparna, right answer. Maya, right answer. Very good, Aparna. Maya, right. Aparna, wrong. Harshini, right. Tanish, wrong. Aparna, right. Ponnappa, right. Jahnavi, right. Rujuta, right. Okay, Tanushri, right. Narendran, wrong. Fadila, wrong. Why? Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. So, all your students, all your answers got mixed. So, can you give again the answer? All your answers got mixed. It was showing a different names. Please give the answers again. Okay. Now, let me give the final answer. Yes, Fadila is right. Tanushri wrong. Narendran right. Rujuta wrong. Jahnavi wrong. Maya wrong. Tanushri right. Ponnappa wrong. Aparna wrong. Tanish right. Harshini wrong. Frugal, right answer. Why, student?
Sir, I gave my answer again. Could you check?
Okay, right answer. Okay, student, degree of polynomial. So first of all, you said, sir, polynomial means some variable should come. It's a constant. How can I give? But you can take x power 0, right? X power 0 is 1. 5 into 1 is 5 only. Then what is the highest power? 0. How did you give? How did many of the students give one student? You see, it's a simple question. You just forgot the logic. Polynomial. So it's the highest power of a variable. There is no variable, but you create a variable by x power 0. Okay, the highest power is 0. Option A is the right answer. Rujita, understood, beta? Yes, Sugal, right. There is no polynomial, but you can create a polynomial with little arithmetic. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Ponnappa, Tanushri, wrong answer. Jahnavi, you may be right, you may not be right. Students who are giving instant answer means you all are giving wrong answer. For this type of questions, I said whenever the degree is asked, you need to convert into single expression. You see, it is multiple product of two expressions. I want single expression: x into x square, x cube, x into x minus x square, x into minus into x power 4, x power 5, x into 1 plus x plus 1 into x, x square, 1 into minus x, 1 into minus x power 4, minus x power 4, 1 into plus 1, plus 1. Now you should cancel the things which are coming common. So now you see x power 5 is not getting cancelled. The highest power in this equation is 5. The highest power of, okay. So the answer should be D. The answer should be D. Okay, if you calculated, fine answer. Yes, Ponnappa, right answer. Tanish, right answer. Okay, so these questions will be asked. So please do some little calculation. As I said, MCQ doesn't mean by watching you should give the direct answer. It means you need to do the steps very fast. Okay? Yeah, with that we just enter the quadratic equation. Till now we were on the quadratic polynomial. So what is the difference? In quadratic polynomial, there is no equal to symbol. It's just a polynomial. There is no equal to symbol. But in quadratic equation, we just made it equal to something, equal to 0. So power is 2, quadratic equal to 0 equation. Okay, quadratic equation, student. Okay. Yeah. So here also ensure that A should not be equal to 0. If A equal to 0, it will be linear equation. If A equal to 0, it will be linear equation. So A is not equal to 0. Rujita, can B equal to 0? If B equal to 0, is it a quadratic or not?
Yes, sir. If B is equal to 0, then we won't have x.
So why we want x then? I'm asking if B equal to 0, is this a quadratic equation or not?
Yes, sir, it is. It is.
It is, okay. If C equal to 0, then B and C both are equal to 0, then
Yeah, still it is.
okay, very good. Okay, student, B equal to 0, ये गया. C equal to 0, ये गया. Still you see ax square equal to 0. Variable is there, power 2 is there, quadratic equation is still valid. Okay, only a should not be equal to 0. Okay, yeah. So what I said in this particular question, I said that whenever you see the question, don't uh, don't directly jump into the answer. So you should always you should always equate to the standard equation. Your standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Whenever question is given, always equal to standard equation and write like this: a equal to 2. Yes, Rugal, what is b value, beta? What is b and c value? Come on, fast, Rugal.
Sir, I was saying answer in it. B is like 3.
B is 3 and
Yeah.
c is
5.
yeah, you see, if you do this mistake, you lose marks. As I said, after comparing A is 2, B is what better? You see, plus and minus is there. So it is 2x square plus of minus 3 into x. Now you see B is minus 3. If you are able to follow from here only B equal to minus 3, that is fine. If you still not able to realize, sir, here plus is there, I'll write plus, but minus 3 is there, I should subtract, I should make minus 3. Plus into minus 3 is minus 3. So what is B? Plus 3 or minus 3?
It's minus.
Minus 3. Okay, C is 5. Okay, so don't do this mistake, student. Always compare it to standard equation and write these values separately. Okay, yes, which one of them is a quadratic equation? Okay, some students are giving answer. Yes, Maya, right answer. Harshini, right answer. Which one of them is quadratic equation? Again, don't directly jump by looking the powers. Do up to the last step and then you finalize which is the right answer. Narendran, I think you're right, student. Ponnappa. Ponnappa, which one of them is a quadratic equation? Shrugal wrong, Ponnappa wrong, Chayan right answer, Maya right answer, Tanish right answer, Jahnavi right answer, Tanushri no, Ponnappa right, Harshini right, Fadila right. Come on, student. You see, it's a last step. So there is nothing to conclude. So highest power is 3. It's not a quadratic equation. Is there any step? Yes, sir. I should take LCM. I can take LCM. If you take LCM, by 1 x square is LCM x power 4 plus 1 plus x square equal to 0, which is nothing but x power 4 plus x square plus 1 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? No, still not. Yes, no, Rujita, not at all. Shrugal, right answer. Okay. Yeah, D. You see, it is 0 into x square. Ye to gaya. What is this? It's a linear equation. How can it be D? No. Obviously, C is the right answer. Why, sir? You can do some step. Yes, you can do x is an LCM. By 1. So 1 into x square plus 1 plus x equal to 0. Finally, it will give x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the last step and maximum power is 2. It's a quadratic equation. C is the right answer.
Sir,
Ah, yes.
sir, what if in D option instead of 0 it was theta? Then it would be quadratic equation.
Theta.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
It can't be theta x square. Why? Because theta is something angle beta. So angle into x. You see, x is distance. 3 is one value. 3 into distance. So it's still assume x equal to meters. 3 into meters, meters. Pi is there. It's okay. Theta into meters. There is nothing like this. So first of all, it can't be. Okay, if at all you are taking some, no, it can't be. Theta can't be.
Okay, sir. So I thought it
Okay.
was theta, that's why.
Acha, you thought it is theta? Okay. Which one of the following is not a quadratic equation? Not. If you are giving direct answer, you will be wrong. You should do up to the last step. And if you have some logics like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, that will be wonderful. Yes, Narendran gets the right answer. And you start with the one which you are in doubt. If you are assuming, sir, I am assuming C can't be quadratic equation, try to start with this. But don't give, okay, sir, C will be the answer. There is no rule that you should always start with A only. Just guess. Okay, so I am able to see C is the wrong answer. Start with C. Jahnavi right answer. Fadila right answer. Tanish right answer. Strugal right answer. Shayan wrong answer. Ponnappa right answer. Maya right answer. Left side is x square. Right side is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Clearly, I am able to see x square gets cancelled. It's not an equation at all. 0 equal to minus 3 square, not at all valid. So he's also asking not. C should be your answer. Rujita, no. X square equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Just now we discussed ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. B can be 0, c can be 0, ax square equal to 0 is still a quadratic equation. A value is 1 here, that's all.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I like calculation I have. Sir, if it's x minus 3 and x plus 3, then a square minus b square, right, sir?
Yeah.
But if it's x minus 3 plus x plus 3,
X minus 3 plus x plus 3, then it is 2x. That's all, 2x only. Minus 3 plus 6 is 0. X square equal to 2x it will be. Which is x square minus 2x equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. This is what your
okay.
doubt?
Yes, sir. So I want to know how to simplify it more. Like I got confused. You have to
Yeah.
multiply x with x, then?
If multiply is there, we have formula a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. If there is simple addition, I just added x plus x is 2x minus 3 plus 3 cancel, so 0.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
Yes.
So students, if you want, you can just remember these formulas also. Okay, you see a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. I'll do one question. Okay, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you can see this and this gets cancelled. It is just 2 times a square plus b square. Formula a minus b whole square plus a square plus 2 times a square plus b square. So left side is x square, right side is 2 times a square is x square plus b square is 3 square. So it is nothing but x square equal to 2x square, 18. So x square will go here, x square plus 18 equal to 0. You see, it's still a quadratic equation. First one I have just, for Cheyenne, I just did for your student. First one I have just explained up to the last step, still I am able to see the quadratic equation.
பார்த்தாலும் அவனை பத்தி நீ பேசினது
Rita, what is your friend shouting, student?
Sir?
What is he shouting? I don't know Kannada. Is he scolding me?
No, sir, not you.
Okay. Thank God. Thank God. If he scolds also, don't say to me. Huh? Okay. Solution of a quadratic equation. Yeah, student. Then we went to the solution of a quadratic equation. Till now, we are learning what is quadratic equation. Now, solution. What is solution, student? First of all, you need to know what is quadratic equation. Sir, why are you saying quadratic equation? When you draw the graph, whenever you are taking, you take this only, student. Very simple quadratic equation. X square equal to 0. When you draw the graph of x square equal to 0, the graph will be like this. What is the graph, student? You assume whatever some values. x equal to minus 1, x equal to plus 1. Okay, so I'll just give this answer. Y equal to x square. What is this graph? Sir, x square is it's a quadratic equation. How to draw the graph? Assume some x and y values. X equal to minus 1 whole square, y is 1. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 1 square, y value is 1. So whenever you are assuming some values, you are finding some y. Now you draw the graph. Where is minus 1 comma 1? It is here. Where is 0 comma 0? Here. Where is 1 comma 1? Here. Yes, when you join them, which shape? It's a parabola shape. So quadratic equation means we are just analyzing parabola, student, nothing more than that. Okay. Now what is he saying? Roots. Roots is nothing but when this parabola is touching or cutting the x-axis. So you see in this example, it is just touching at 0 comma 0. So you should say, sir, this particular parabola have some roots. It is exactly x equal to 0. Suppose if I say, now you say me, where is this parabola? Does this parabola have roots? Yes, this parabola is cutting the x-axis where minus 2 and plus 2. These are the roots. These are the roots. Do we have roots for this parabola? No. This parabola is not at all touching x-axis. This parabola doesn't have any root. Okay. This is the internal meaning, student. Okay. Yeah. Now, so by looking the graph, anybody can say what are the roots. But without drawing the graph, how can we say we need to have some root solution, student? What are those? Sir, we can just find by factorization method or quadratic formula method. This is not there for you. Okay. So how to find the solution of a quadratic equation? Solution is nothing but at which places this particular parabola is cutting the x-axis. That is nothing but solution. Like here, it is cutting at 0. So 0 is the solution. Here it is touching at minus 2 plus 2. These are the solution. Here it is not at all touching. No solution. Like that, without looking the graph, how can you say? You need to do some arithmetic things, which is nothing but factorization method and quadratic formula method. Okay. So what is factorization method? It is nothing but middle term splitting method. So we have done it from many month, students. So there is no requirement to me to explain. We'll directly go with one question and we'll end. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 9x plus 7 equal to 0 beta. So iska roots always compare with the standard equation. So try to do before me, whoever is comfortable. So I taught you in this way, product equal to A into C, sum equal to B. A into C 14, sum B is minus. I want two numbers whose sum is 9 minus 9, product is 14. Fadila, right answer. Harshini, right answer. Maya, right answer. Narendran, right answer. Yes, Tanushri, can you say me the two roots better? Whose sum is minus 9? Whose sum is
Some
minus. Pardon? Tanushri?
doing it. Sir, can you hear me?
Ah, yes, I can hear you say.
Sir, I was still doing it. I
Ah,
didn't
still
find it
doing.
yet.
Okay, okay. Tanish, no beta. Wrong answer, I guess. Jahnavi, Tanish, you are getting same answer and both are wrong. Jahnavi, there are still two options. You can give those two also, beta. Shy and right answer. Okay. So 7 and 2. 7 twos are 14, but it is not 9. So minus 7 minus 2. Minus into minus plus 14. 7 to the 14 minus 9. So 2x square minus 7x minus 2x plus 7. You see, middle term I have split it. Okay. So 2x you can take common, x minus y 2x beta. Okay, so x only I can take common, student. 2x minus 7. Here minus 1 I can take common. 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Again both I can take 2x minus 7 common. X minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 7 by 2. X equal to 1. D should be your answer. Danish, except right answer, you give all the answers. No problem. If you are worried about splitting, go for the quadratic formula. We have a Brahmastra, right? You're not able to split, go for the quadratic formula, Harshin. I'll take one question like that also. I have it. Okay, so middle term splitting method is nothing but factorization method. We are learning it from these many months, students. Now you should be comfortable in that. Not required, not required. Do want to not required? You can do, I'm sure. Okay, yeah. So student, here is what the word problems are. Okay, so in the word problem, our challenge is to convert that English into that particular quadratic equation. If that is coming, then remaining is a cakewalk. Okay. Yes, Rujuta, give me student the sum of number and its square. I want just an equation. Others, you can just increase your speed by trying the final answer.
So we can assume the two numbers to be x and y.
So the sum of a number and its square is x 63 by 4. Find the numbers. Let the numbers be x and y. You should start with this. Okay, then.
Yeah, so the sum of so x plus y and its square. So yeah, x plus y and xy is equal to 63 by 4.
Pardon? The sum of a number and its square x plus y plus.
Xy whole square, I think.
You see, he said the sum of a number. He said it's not numbers first of all. So here is that mistake. And you see, he say the square of the product word here? Did he say the square of the product? You are doing square of the product.
So like two-digit number means like 10x plus y. So are they asking? I didn't understand like what to take the number.
Now you read the question and give the answer. The sum of the number and its square. So how many numbers he is asking to assume? Find the number. Is it one or two? Absolutely right answer, Shayan. Go ahead. Do the calculation. Very good. Fazila got some
Sir, I
answer.
think only like one variable.
Only one way. Let the number be x. Now you give me the English to mathematical statement.
So x plus x square is equal to 63 by 4.
That's all. Okay. The sum
Okay.
of a number, sum means plus, number means I took x, and its square means the number square only 63 by 4. Ponnappa understood? Jahnavi understood beta this one?
Yes.
Okay. So now student, it's not a standard format, so always convert it to standard format. So you'll send 4 over there, 4x square plus 4x equal to 63. Still not a standard format. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now it is something like a standard format. Okay. Students who are struggling with the factorization or middle term splitting method, you can go for the quadratic formula method. Easy. I don't have answer here first of all. The students are giving some answer. Narendran and Fadila answers are matching. 7 by 2 and minus 9 by 2 is what the answers I am able to see. Not 7. 7 by 2 and minus 9 by 2. 7 by 2 and minus 9 by 2. So student, you can use quadratic formula method which I will discuss, or the particular middle term splitting method also. P equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24, minus 252. Sum equal to 4. Okay, so how to find the factors? Whenever you are struggling to find the factors, so try to take LCM of 252. Not LCM. What is the factorization? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12, 2 six are 12, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, sorry, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Now you choose the combination. Which combination will give you sum 4? Okay, 2 twos are 4, 4 7, 18 and 14. 18 and 14. 7 twos are 14 and 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18. 18 and 14 is giving the factor, students. 18 and 14. As it is minus, so minus 18 plus 14. Okay, so Jahnavi, right answer, student. Maya, right answer. Okay, so you can do it, student. I'm sure you can do it. Okay. Yes, Tanushri. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integers. Only equation I want. Don't solve it. Huh? The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306, Tanushri. How will you do? What will you assume?
Two consecutive positive integers are x and y.
X and Y you want to take? Okay.
X plus y is equal to 306.
Yeah, one equation, two variables. You can't solve. You want one more equation. You see, student, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the positive integers. Consecutive means agal bagal mein beta, side by side. 2 and 3 are consecutive positive integers. 3 and 4 are consecutive positive integers. 4 and 5 are consecutive positive integers. So, in spite of taking x and y, you can just take x and x plus 1. So, your answer will be, and he said product, right? So, x into x plus 1 equal to 3 knots. Okay, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever you're asking consecutive means just beside. So if you're taking 2, the next will be 3. Okay, you're taking 3, next will be 4. So you can just take x and x plus 1. Right answer. Tanish? Tanish, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tanish, can I take x minus 1 and x also? Will I get the same answer? You see, if I am taking 4 as x, 3 is x minus 1. So is this combination right? Will I get the same answer?
So they're telling positive integer, so I think maybe not.
So why? Who said x minus 1 is negative integer? So 2, 3, 4, 5 beta. 5 I am taking x. 4 is nothing but x minus 1. Now product of two factors is 306. Please type the answer, student. Will I get the same answer or not? Yes or no? X minus 1 and x. Why Narendran? Tanushree, right? You need to solve that.
So here is x plus 1, here is x minus 1. So
Yes, Harshini. Will I get the same answer?
Sir, I don't think so.
Fadila?
So if not, then why? Like,
If not,
so it's the same thing, right? I mean, you can either take the preceding number or the
yes. Okay.
succeeding number.
Exactly. Okay. So student, you will get the same answer. Okay. Either you take x and x plus 1. This is also consecutive. X minus 1 and x. This is also consecutive. You will get the same answer. Suppose here you are getting 17 and 18. Obviously here you will get something like 16 and 17, I guess. Or no, no. You will get 17. You will write 18. Here you will get 18. You will write 17. That's all. You will get the same answer. You try it. Okay, Shayan, equation please. Divide 29 into two parts so that the sum of squares of the parts is 425. Only equation, Shayan. Shayan, I can't hear Shayan properly. Yeah, Shayan, go ahead. I can hear you.
So can we say x square
No,
or
you say me first of all, what should I take x? Always start with what you are taking x.
one part of 29.
Okay.
Like,
So 29, you want to take one part as x. Okay, then.
the other part, can we take 29 minus x?
Very good. You can take y, but ultimately y you need to convert into 29 minus x. Student, you have 30 rupees. You have 29 rupees. You have given me 2 rupees. How much is left? Sir, 27 is left. How did you do? 29 minus 2. Okay. So one part is x she took. One part is x. The second part will be always 29 minus x. Now you give me the equation, Shayan.
So, x square plus 29 minus x whole square is equal to 425.
That's all. Very good. Okay. So divide 29 into two parts. I took one part as x. Another part will automatically be 29 minus x. Okay. Don't take x minus 29, student. The x is a part of 29. So 29 will be more, x will be less. Okay. Anyhow, that doesn't change your answer here. That's fine. But please, okay, let one part be x, another part will be 29 minus x. So divide on two parts. I have divided so that the sum of the squares. So x square sum is there plus 29 minus x square is means equal to 425. Express yes. So Tanish, that is right. But you see, in your syllabus we have a quadratic equation in single variable. Whatever you have written, that double variable you can solve it. Tanish, I am sure you will just convert it. I know that. Good. Okay, so that's again a minus b whole square, expand it, bring to standard equation and solve it, student. Okay, so I don't know what is the answer. B is the answer. So some students got the answer also. B is the right answer. Okay, Ayana, read the statement and give me, student. Ayana, Ayana, a beautiful girl. Very good. How to start the question? Read the question and try to give the answer. Only equation you give better.
Uh, yeah,
Hmm. Let
let's assume Rohan's age to be x
Ah,
and
now I
Rohan's mother's age to
yeah. So
be y.
student, yes, you are absolutely right. But now I want to know Rohan's after 3 years age you are assuming it as X or present age you are assuming it as X.
The
X.
present age.
Okay, very good. Student, whenever you see the question, whatever he is asking, find, you assume that as X. Okay, you see many students will take let's Rohan age after 3 years as X. Again they will get confused. Okay, let present age, whatever he is asking, that is X. Okay, beta. Then
And let Rohan's mother's age be y.
mother age be Y. Okay, then
Then y equals 26 plus x.
26 older than him, 26 plus x. Okay, one equation already I got. Okay, then
3 plus x
uh, the product of
in
their
bracket,
bracket.
and then x plus y plus 3
Uh,
equals 360.
Very good. Right answer. Okay. So the product of their ages, you see, I just product means multiplication ages 3 years from now. So Rohan's present age is X. So after 3 years, X plus 3. Rohan's mother age is Y. After 3 years, Y plus 3 is 360. But here Y is 26 plus X. You can just take in place of Y 26 plus X plus 3 equal to 360 degrees. Obviously, that will be X plus 3 into 29 plus X equal to 360. Again, when you one equation, one unknown, you will get a quadratic equation. You can just solve it. Yes, right answer, Tanish. That is what we have done here. Yeah, anybody, any doubt? Anybody, any doubt? Ponnappa is not here. Appa network connectivity. Jahnavi, following student?
Yes.
Yeah, give this answer. Everybody should give this answer now. Okay, 7 years old, you got the answer? Yeah, I think you're right, Tanushree, 7 years old. All are centimeter, that is fine. Yes, everybody should answer. Tanushri, Tanish, Rugal, Shayan, Rujita, Narendra, Maya, Jahnavi, Harshini, Fatila, Ayana, Avdan, Aparna. Aparna, next question is for you, student. You should answer me the quadratic equation. You need to say me. Next question.
So actually in exam when I do it now, like for MCQs I spend about 1 hour.
1 hour you spend for MCQs?
One
So,
hour, 1.5 hour for MCQs itself, sir.
so
So
you
I don't.
do so you do it at the last first of all. If you are having that issue, so
Sir,
start.
but then if I do it in the last, I'll be missing about 6, 7 MCQs, sir.
So tomorrow I'll give some shortcuts where you some of the MCQs, at least 3 to 4 MCQs, just by looking you can give the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you see, student, MCQs is what will make you little bit confused. That's all. Logic is very easy, but small gap will be there. That is what you need to find it out.
Sir, like recently, our school conducted PT3, in which the MCQs were like no, not PT3, pre-board one, in which the MCQs were like really hard, sir, like really tough, time consuming.
You see, student, I'll not speak about your school exam. So some of the schools, they're intentionally making frustrated, they're intentionally making students frustrated, okay, by giving the tough questions. So your final paper will not be the so tough, okay? It should be an average.
Sir, the sample paper was actually easier than my school's paper. They gave it
Actually,
very tough.
sir, this time, even a few like other online teachers have predicted that 2025-26 paper of math is going to be easier than
Than
last
previous.
year.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah,
So
sir, actually more, even the 2026 sample paper is easier than the 25 one. 25 is like a bit more difficult.
oh. Okay, but why? I said the reason, right? I said the reason that he should take whole Indian students into the consideration. If at all he gives the toughest paper, what about the students who are not having good schooling facilities? Like you all are happy that you are living in the metropolitan cities and you have online tuition, many sources. But you see, 60% of Indian students who live in the rural area, they don't have all facilities. They need to only mug up the NCRT questions only. So that is what he will be concentrating on NCRT only, and that too he will take an average of easy, moderate and typical. What happened, student? Not able to do? So area is 60, area of a right angle triangle, you all know, half into base into height equal to 60. Base is 5x, height is 3x minus 1. So 5x into 3x minus 1 equal to 120. Here only I can cancel the thing. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. So 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. So by this I can find x value. After finding x, I can find the hypotenuse. Okay, so if you are happy, go for the middle term. If you are Still feeling frustrated? Go for the quadratic formula. Product equal to A into C. So 3 fours are 12 minus 72. Sum equal to minus 1. So 8 and 9 combination will work. So minus 9 plus 8. So 3x square plus 8x minus 9x minus 24 equal to 0. I can take only x common. 3x plus 8. How much? So I can interchange also, right? So 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 equal to 3x common x minus 3 plus 8 common x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3 or minus 8 by 3. Okay, so student, as this problem is of length, minus 8 by 3 is not valid. Okay, so always you see which type of problem. Always don't say, sir, x can't be negative. X can be negative, but in this problem, x is a distance, it can't be negative. So 3, 5 3s are 15. X equal to 3 is the final answer. Here 3 3s are 9 minus 1, 8. If 8, 15 is there, I think 17 is the Pythagoras triplet. Yes, Narendran right, Harshini right, Fadila right. Shrugal, did you understand this one?
Yes, sir, doing, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
also 17 is the only number higher than 8 and 50.
Yes.
But 25 is also there.
25 is also there. Now this is what I'll give it tomorrow. I said some of the MCQs you can solve with that. If you explain a Pythagoras triplet, nothing to explain, student. I just remember Pythagoras triplet. We have some values. If you don't know, so please do root 15 square plus 8 square. That's all. It will get the root of 17 square, which is nothing but 17. Okay. Pythagoras, you know concept. It's a memorizing trick. So something like 3, 4, 5 Pythagoras triplet. Okay. 12, 7, 12, 13. Something like this, student. Something like this. So 5 or 6 I have given during the regular session. 6, 8, 10. Right answer. 6, 8, 10. Pythagoras triplet. Okay. So Tanushri understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that was the story of the factorization. Solving by factorization. Now there is a master formula, quadratic formula, which you all know, student. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4c by 2. When you are not able to split it easily, so please use this quadratic formula. It will give a final answer. Okay. So do this, student. Try to do this. That's up to you. I am not asking to do by only quadratic formula only. So if you remember the formula, that quadratic formula is also fine. If you don't remember, middle term splitting is also fine. Find the value of x satisfying the equation. Find the value of x satisfying the equation. Yes, Rujita. How to proceed, beta? Shall we square on both sides, Rujita? Narendran, yes. You substituted it. Rujita, can you hear me? Rujita?
Yes, sir.
How to proceed, beta? No, not able to hear you. I want the value of x. So as we are in quadratic equation, you will get some quadratic equation. How to proceed?
Sir, I think we can use uh
The square root is only for this. Go ahead.
so we have to find the root of the equation, right?
I want to find the value of x. So whenever root 3 is there, if I want value 3, what will you do to this root?
Yeah, I think we can square on both sides.
Oh. So you see students squaring on both sides. Okay, Rujuta. So if I square, you see a square is x, b square is 4x square plus 2ab. So did you get rid of the root or still root is there?
It's still there.
Then how? Yes, Aparna, same student, how to proceed? Aparna. Yeah, Narendra, go ahead, student.
So when you transfer to x,
Sir,
that's it, then you square them.
Very good. So you see, he's saying, sir, here you said root 3, right? So try to keep root x one side and transfer. Now you square it.
sir, now we have to square on both sides and
Very good,
form a
student.
quadratic equation.
Very good. Okay, so just one step. You need to just make one root one side and the remaining things other side, so that square means root will get cancelled. That's all. Jahnavi, Narendran, Fadila, Frugal. Sure, D is like root 5, sir. Where is D? Acha, D is root 5. How can you say root 5? So I can't see that. Okay, so middle term splitting, I think minus 4x minus x. Yes, yes, I got to know. I understood that, sir. Soon you gave the answer, I understood. Maya, right answer. Okay, so 1 by 4 you'll get, student. 1 by 4 should be your answer. Okay. Yeah, so you see, student, for such type of questions, you can use middle term splitting method, but some of the questions are there which middle term splitting will not work. So definitely, the quadratic formula will be the method that you can take help of. Okay, but anyhow, this question I think you can do it in middle term splitting. Yes, Harshini, can you do this by middle term splitting, or should we go for quadratic formula only?
Sir, we can.
Okay, how beta? What
So
are
now we
the,
multiply x.
that means b square x?
Yes, sir, and then minus
That's all.
acx minus
Okay.
ab. We can
Yes,
take
sir.
common.
Yes. Okay. So there are some questions which we can't do, but here you can see she just separated x and she's able to see, sir, in this you take bx common, you will get cx plus b. Here you take something like a common, cx plus b equal to 0. Again in this both cx plus b you take common, bx minus a equal to 0. So x will be minus b by c and a by b. A is the right answer. Okay. So there are some questions, student. I think I need to take that in the sessions next for next year. There are some questions like middle term splitting. If at all the alphabets are given, it's very tough. Constants are given. It's very tough to use these methods. So definitely your quadratic formula method will help you. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a will help you. For this also you can use the same. You will get the answer. Okay. Do you want to do this? Not required. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to the next topic. What is this topic? Discriminant. Okay. The last topic. Last topic of this chapter. Discriminant. Will we do word problems today? We have done some of the word problems already, student. We will be taking PYQs. Scarcely, sir. Quadratic formula is scarcely. Oh, no, student. Please. Eight. Okay. Okay. Discriminant, student. So, what is this discriminant? So, student, here just now you see this particular question. This particular question, if you use this quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4c by 2a, you see in the square root you are getting some minus 71, which you can't solve. Which you can't solve. So that means the application, if you are applying quadratic formula or the middle term splitting, there are some places which you are not able to proceed further with your 10th class knowledge. Okay, definitely you will find the solution in class 11 and 12 for this type of problem. So who is this deciding factor? So who is the leader for this particular b square minus 4ac is playing a key role in determining whether you have roots or not. Okay, what does that mean, student? We are not having real root means your this particular parabola is something like this. So it is not touching x-axis if you are getting something like this. Okay, so do we require to do entire formula to find out whether this has roots or not? Not required. Just you find b square minus 4ac value, there only you can guess. Whenever you are getting b square minus 4ac is less than 0, like here minus 71, we don't have roots. So by that you can say that whenever discriminant value is b square minus 4ac, many students will take root b square minus 4ac as discriminant, which is wrong. It is only b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac, if you get less than 0, the roots are imaginary or no real roots. No real roots. Okay. Yeah, when discriminator equal to 0, if this value equal to 0, student, minus 3 by 8, obviously, so minus 3 by 8, only one root you are getting. But you see, quadratic equation is power 2. You should get two roots. Why are you getting only one root? That means your parabola is something like this, student. Like this or like this. That means while coming down, it is touching this point. While going up, it is touching this point. So at this point is touched by the parabola two times. So that's the reason he is telling roots are real and equal. Equal means at one point only this parabola is touching and going up. Okay. So that is discriminator equal to 0. Discriminator greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. This one better. This one is figured out. You see here the roots are minus 2 and 2. Both are real and they are unequal also. Okay. So these three cases, this case and this case, whether you have roots or not, there is no requirement to do entire formula. Just find b square minus 4ac. By that you can say whether you have real roots, imaginary roots, or if there are real roots, they are equal or unequal. So this is what the whole concept of discriminant. You see, discriminant value greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means the roots are real and unequal. If the discriminator value equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means this parabola is touching here and going back here. That means the roots are real and equal. Both the roots are same. For discriminator less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we don't have roots at all. This orange color is not at all touching this axis. We don't have roots in class 10. Okay, so with that, so give me this answer, student. The roots of this equation, are they real and distinct, real and equal, non-real, cannot be determined? So whenever he's asking roots are, he's asking the nature of roots. You just need to find b square minus 4ac. But ensure you are just comparing it with the standard equation. If you're not it is not in standard equation, you need to convert into like this. I'm able to see it is almost in the standard equation. Then just substitute. Maya right answer, Fadila right answer, Narendra right answer, Jahanavi right answer, Harshini right answer, Rujuta right answer. B square 7 square 49 minus 4ac 4 into 9. 49 minus 36. 13 is greater than 0. Whenever discriminator is greater than 0, what did we know, student? Discriminator real and unequal. So if you're drawing this quadratic equation, it is something like this. Something like this. Real and unequal. Okay. Okay, Strugal. Tanushri, are you following, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. The roots of this equation are, so quadratic equation, tomorrow is sample paper. If there are word problems, I'll take, student. Ponappa. I already took some of the questions. I'll take some of the questions tomorrow also. Sample paper. So we are ending tomorrow, student. Tomorrow is the last session of maths, group session. Sunday, Monday, I'm totally available for individual doubts. Okay, so I think I have finished all the doubts. Ponnappa, is your doubt clear? Is Ponnappa there? Not there. Okay, Rujita, doubt clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Yeah, got it.
Got it. Jahnavi, is your doubt clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Non-real? I don't think so. B square minus 4ac, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You see, compare a equal to 9a square. Compare with b equal to minus 6a, c equal to 1. Okay, so as he's asking nature, b square minus 4ac beta. What is b? Minus 6a whole square. Minus 4, what is a? 9a square. What is c? 1. 36a square minus 36a square, 0. Whenever discriminator is 0, real and equal. Why did you get non-real? Again wrong, Shugal. Real and equal. Harshini right. Rujita right. Jahnavi right. Fadila right. Tanushri right answer. Okay. Yeah, you see some of the questions are directly he's giving real and equal. Then find A. So if the roots are real and equal beta, that means already discriminator value is 0. Discriminator is sometimes represented by delta. You just need to compare and substitute the values and find the value of A. Okay, Shugal. Always compare with the standard equation. Yes, Shugal, give me the ABC values by looking this.
Sir, so B is like minus A minus 1
Very good.
thing.
Why you hate A? You are not giving A value first.
Yes, only, sir.
A is A only. You see, AX square, X square.
Oh,
What is
oh
it?
no, it's 1 1.
Equal to 169.
Yeah.
Google, you and Rujita are from the same section, different section.
Different section, sir.
Different section.
This section is.
Okay. You see, student, little tricks will help you to save your time. You see, I did not use A minus B whole square. I just kept like that. Minus square is plus. I transferred 4. I am not doing 4 into 169. Why? Because I know that I need to square root it. Okay. Fadila got B as an answer. Narendra and Fadila answers are matching, student. 2 into 13. Yes, is it right, Narendran? That's all.
Sir?
Is it right? A minus 1 is 2 into 13.
Yes, sir.
So I'll get only one value, beta. 13 twos are 26 plus 1, 27. How did you get 20, minus 25 also then? You have given the answer, right?
Sir, I got a quadratic.
Okay, so you have opened this bracket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So student, here what happened? It is square root. It should be plus or minus. If you take plus 26, then it is 27. If you take minus 20, minus 26, it will be minus 26. It will be minus 20. You see how much time I have saved? I did not open this. Parna, did you understand this method, student? Ah, yes, plus or minus, right answer. Okay, it is 27 or minus 25, student. If you are not worried, please open the bracket. You will get some quadratic equation you can solve. You will get two roots. Shayan, are you following, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so final questions. Final question, student. So he's asking nature first of all. So try to find b square minus 4ac first. Nature, real, non-real. I have doubt in MCQ. What is that HQP? Send it, student. Send it. So I'll take it. I'll take it. Yes, okay, okay. You forward me. I'll take that question whenever possible. Harshini and Narendra answers are not matching. Yes, yes, now matching. Maya, Narendra, and Harshini answers are matching. So Fazila, right? Okay. So student, graph means first of all you see the roots nature b square minus 4ac. 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. 25 plus 36 something like 46, 56, 61. So b square minus 4ac value I am getting greater than 0. Tanushri, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. What type of root, student? Real or imaginary?
Sir.
Real. Okay. So my answer is either A or C. But you see upward and downward parabola. How to find? Tanushri, do you know how to find upward parabola or downward parabola? Either like this or like this. Do you know, beta?
No, sir.
Yeah, Narendran, go ahead.
So it depends on the value of A. Like
That's all. Okay. It's just the value of A, student. You see ax square, right? Ax square plus bx plus c. You see what is A value? A value is 1. Is greater than 0. Whenever A is greater than 0, it's upward parabola. This is upward parabola. It is going up. Okay. Whenever A value is less than 0, it is downward parabola. The graph, if you draw the graph of this particular thing, it will give upward parabola because the coefficient of x square, or which we are calling A, is greater than 0. Okay. If at all any other question A less than 0, that will be downward parabola. Downward, that doesn't mean the peak, student. Downward means the opening, wherever that particular parabola is going to infinite, right? That we are speaking about. Understood, Tanushri, now? I think we finished now. Okay. Yes, student. Everybody should do this question and give the answer. Yes, Fadila. How to start, student? Fadila. Fadila, are you there? Then Jahnavi, how to start?
We have to take the number as x,
X. Find the numbers. Two numbers are there then.
x and y.
Okay, beta. Then,
X minus y is equal to 4,
okay.
and 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 4 by 21.
Very good.
And then we have to take the LCM of 1 by x minus 1 by
Oh,
x.
okay. Yeah, there is little issue here. Yes, Harshini. Is it right, beta? Equation 1, equation 2.
Sir, it can be reverse also. Y minus x is equal to 4.
So you want to take y minus x equal to 4?
So both are possible, right? So we'll have two cases.
Okay, if you are taking y minus x equal to 4, this is equation number 1. What will be equation number 2?
So 1 by y minus 1 by x.
Equal to 4 by 21.
It can be anything, sir. So we'll have two cases, right?
So this is case 1, this is case 2. That is what you want to say, right?
Yeah, sir. Or we should let that one number is bigger than the other.
Ah. Okay,
We
so
have to
in this
let one number is bigger.
so in this case you are taken y greater than x. In this case you are taken x greater than y. Right?
Yes.
Both are wrong. Both are wrong. Yeah, Narendran, hold on. I'll give you the chance. Both are wrong. Let me see. Acha, your PC was frozen. Now can you speak, Fadila?
Yes, sir, I can speak.
Yes, Fadila, you see, so x greater than y, x is more, x minus y is equal to 4. The difference of number is 4. If the difference of reciprocals is 4 by 21, or if you take y greater than x, y minus x equal to 4, the difference of reciprocal is 4 by 21. What is the wrong thing here?
Sir, if x is greater than 1, then 1 by y is greater than 1 by x for
Very
positive numbers.
Very good. Yeah, Narendran, you want to say the same thing, student?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Student, both are wrong. Both are wrong. Jahnavi, Harshini, and whoever has done it. Okay, you see? Okay, so I'll give small example. 5 is greater than 2. Okay. 4 is greater than 2. But if you inverse 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 is 0.25, 1 by 2 is 0.5. So if you are inverting, so your 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. 4 is greater than 2, but when you inverse, it is less beta. So in this case, if you are taking x greater than y, so difference of two numbers is 4, x minus y equal to 4. But the difference of reciprocals, so which one we should minus? Obviously 1 by y, 1 by x will be less beta. Okay, so you should take 1 by y minus 1 by x. Yeah, Rujita. So did you take this, student?
Sir, I took like x and x minus 4.
X and okay, that's fine. After that, you need to do the same thing. When you are reciprocating, what did you take? 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 4 or 1 by x minus 4 by 1 minus 1 by x
I took 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x.
equal to 4 by 21.
Yeah, equal
And
to 4.
here x minus
No, the difference it's just x minus. No, I didn't get it.
okay, right. Okay, so student, please remember, I am expecting this question. Difference of two numbers is 4, x minus y 4, but when you are reciprocating it, whatever you have taken more, that should be less beta. You see, here 4 is more, but 1 by 4 is less. So you should take 1 by y minus 1 by 4. 1 by y minus 1 by x.
So, but both ways, I think we'll get the same answer.
No, you will not get, student.
Okay.
Okay, so that's right. X minus y equal 4, 1 by y minus 1 by x equal 1 by 2. You are getting x and y, yes. 7 or 3 students. If you are neglecting the other case, you will lose marks. It's a 3-mark question. Okay, or 5-mark question. You see, here we are getting root of 100 plus or minus 10 is coming, student. So you should take plus 10 also and solve. You should take minus 10 also solve. Here is where you will be losing marks. So please be very cautious. Look the level of the questions. Yes, Fadila, absolutely right answer, both the options. Okay. So if at all it is 3 marks, you should go for both the cases. If it is 5 marks, 100%, there is no choice. Jahanavi, understood beta why 1 by y minus 1 by x?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harshini, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, solving, I'm sure that you will be doing it, students. So that's all. I think we can end it here. Okay. There are some questions which we'll be doing tomorrow. Okay. So last one question, student. Last one question. Can you find the roots of this? Last question. Now it's in your hand. You have two formulas. Middle term splitting also fine, and that particular quadratic formula is also fine. So tomorrow we'll complete this sample paper and I'll give you some tips, student. Okay, don't expect many tricks from me. I have given strong foundation, and you can build up the new tricks from you that foundation only. At least, but I'll try to give some tricks that will save your time, not logic. I have given all the logic from last 1 year. Yeah. Harshini, how did you do? Quadratic formula method or middle term splitting?
The quadratic formula.
Can't we do by middle term splitting?
So we are getting in root, right? So that's why I took quadratic formula.
Okay. Okay, so student, you see product equal to -2, sum equal to 2. There are roots, but you can't find it so easily. Okay, if you are getting answer by quadratic formula, you will get by middle term splitting. 100% you'll get. Both the procedures are different, but answer should be same. So there are roots, but it's not so easily to find out those roots. Okay, so you will go for the quadratic formula. Okay, you see what are the roots? You see he has taken indirect way. So x square plus 2x equal to 2. He has added 1 on both sides. Now this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square equal to 3. X plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 3. These are the roots. -1 plus or minus root 3, and you can do directly by quadratic formula method. You will get the same thing. Okay, so now the question comes, sir, which method we will choose? So that is this particular thing. Whenever you have discriminator greater than 0 and perfect square, any method will work. Okay, but what is discriminator here, student? What is b square minus 4ac? Let me see. 4 minus 4 plus 8, 12. It is just greater than 0, not a perfect square. So that time when discriminator is greater than 0, not a perfect square, quadratic formula is a priority. I am saying priority. It doesn't mean that you see we got by normal procedure also, by middle term splitting also, some indirect way. Okay, so whenever you are getting discriminator greater than not a perfect square, please go for the quadratic formula without thinking. Okay, if at all it is perfect square, both are fine. All if at all it is less than 0, both are not fine. You will not get all roots. Okay, students. So this is if discriminator equal to 0, then again factorization method quadratic, both the way will work. Only this case when discriminator greater than 0 and not a perfect square, so please go for quadratic formula as a priority. Understood, Fadila?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Okay, Harshini, understood, beta. This is what you are giving the question, right, to me, Harshini? That was one question you gave.
Yeah, sir, that question. It was like in an MCQ. Like they gave 4 equations and we had to find an equation which had a specific root.
Okay, so quadratic formula will work, and to choose whether which way, you just find b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and not a perfect square. So quadratic formula is the best method.
So in the formula also it was coming like a root 46 plus or minus 5 like that. It was like a very huge value.
Okay. So is it simplified? You can simplify it, I think.
Yes, sir. But like since it's an MCQ, we can guess that's not the
Yes, yes.
answer.
Tomorrow that is what I'm going to give tomorrow. Okay. Okay, students, that's all from my side. I think we have done many of them. So tomorrow we'll just close this chapter by discussing sample paper, students. Okay, any doubts you can stay. No, not stay, students. So I'm running short of time. My kid is waiting. You please forward your doubts. So I'm just making the videos in an easy way. Okay. First of all, I'll do it my way. If at all I'm able to get the answer right, I'll explain you. If at all my way is very big, I'm searching the reference books. The easy way I'm explaining you in the videos. Okay, but 99% I am using my way only because you're all accustomed with my way. We all have done one procedure wise the things. Okay. Okay,
So will
students.
we have like a final science the
What
session
final
as well?
science? So obviously after from the day you finish English that day and the next 2 days we'll have science sessions. Okay,
Okay.
just before science exam I'll stop one day or one day before I'll stop taking. I'll go for the individual doubts. Okay, and wait for my top 50 questions. The last day early in early morning I'll give top 50 questions with solution. Please check them at least once. Okay, students. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you
sir.
so
Bye,
much.
sir.
Thank you, students. Yes, Narendra.
The top 50 meaning like totally whole math.
A whole match I'll give you. Top 50 or top 80. Whole match I'll give with solution. In that you already know some 40 to 50 questions. Okay. It is just only some 10 questions which you may not know and which you should just watch it again. That's all.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.